Welcome, students, to the first day of your online lessons. Hope everyone is safe out there. I know it's a crazy time. At the moment, I'm kind of relaxing, waiting to do my online work and get busy. Or that's basically what most of you students probably think is going on at your teachers' places. That we have everything taken care of, everything is ready. We're kind of just waiting by our computers to answer questions that we have the answers to. But in reality,
I just got this kill on Fortnite, and then this guy shot me in the back. And then I saw this video and it was really funny. I want to show you. And then I was on Super Mario and I was almost at the finish, but then I died somehow. I don't know how. Also, watching this video,
the reality is we're stressed too. There's a lot of uncertainty and all these changes. The main thing is we want to make sure you and your family are safe and stay that way. But we do need to finish the school year, and we are here to help you through that process. Reach out to your fellow students, your friends, send them messages online, send them snaps, talk to them on Fortnite while they're playing. Any way you can, encourage them to get busy, get their work completed. Make sure they're being marked present during attendance. Do whatever you can to send the word out to your friends and your students across the county to get online. Log in on Clever, Teams, Focus, and just be prepared to do online learning. Because I promise you, all of us, all of your teachers are trying to do the same. We want all of you to be successful, and we're going to do it together. So check Focus, Clever, Teams, go online, ask questions, chat with your teachers, do whatever you can so we know that you're safe and we know you're getting your work completed, because there's no way to do it unless we do this together. All right, guys, thank you so much. Please, I'll see you online.